Hey everybody, welcome back to another Unit 6 video lecture. And in this video lecture, we're actually going to discuss the title of the unit. We're going to discuss percent composition. And percent composition is really neat. Once you know how molar mass works, what you can do is you can determine the percent of each element within a compound. And so, let's see here, which becomes fairly straightforward, okay? And this is a skill that is neat and pretty straightforward to learn. So again, let's use sugar as our example. C6H12O6. So for carbon, we have 6 times 12.011, and that is equal to 72.066. What I'm doing is I'm trying to find the molar mass of this, okay? But I'm doing it with more space, I guess. So then this is times 1.008, and that equals, let me break out my calculator. So this is 12.096, and this is 6 times 16. Again, we get all of these values from the periodic table. We get this value from here, okay? And then, so 16.00, that's 96.00. And then we add them up, okay? So we get 72.066 plus 12.096 plus 96. We get 100, so when we add all these up, that equals 180.162 grams per mole. Okay, so now, if we're trying to find the percentage of each, it's really finding a percentage just like we would in normal everyday life. We take let's say we wanted to find the percent carbon, okay? Well, in this sample, in sugar, we have 72.066. That's how much of it is carbon. And then here we have, over the total, 162. So that's here, 180.162. Then we multiply that by 100, and that is going to give us the percent carbon in that compound. So when we do that, we get a percentage. The percent carbon equals 40 point, almost exactly 40%. Okay? We can do this for any element that we know or any compound. Okay, let's take water. We haven't dealt with water much lately. So there's H2O. So hydrogen, how many hydrogens are there? There's 2 times 1.008. And then oxygen is 1 times 16. Again, this number from the periodic table, or sorry, this number from the formula, and then this number from the periodic table. So then we do math. So this is 2.016, and this is 16.00. And when we add those two up, we get 18.016 grams per mole. Okay, so now what if we want the percent oxygen in water? Well, we take 16, because that's the part that's oxygen, 16 divided by 18.016 times 100, and that's going to give us the percentage. The percent oxygen is equal to 88.8% in water. Okay, so it's really the part over the whole times 100. So the part is oxygen, the whole mass we figured out, and then we multiply by 100 to get the percentage. And so there's only one thing that I'm going to remind you of or tell you of, is if you do the molar mass, if you're trying to find percent composition and you calculate the molar mass like I've shown you and have exampled through the whole unit, you will not have to do much more work okay, because I take it and I show the parts, and then we add them together, and then you can just take that. Okay, a lot of people will just put it in the calculator, and they'll be like, "Bah," and then not have to worry about it. But then that means that you're going to have to do more work when it comes time to do a percent composition problem. So the easiest thing to do is to do it the way that I've shown you. Take the number of each atom, multiply by the mass, the molar mass in the periodic table for each one, and then once you do that, then you can do a percent composition problem pretty easily. So that's percent composition, and just as a foreshadowing, just know that if we're given a percentage, we can also go back to the formula, and that's the fun way. So anyways, I hope this helps, and have a great day.